Hello guys, welcome to VenterTech. Today we are going to talk about domain name system and how it works. Every website has a string number of known as IP addresses associated with it, and remembering these addresses is very difficult. So the names given to these addresses are known as domain names. For example, it is easy to remember facebook.com, then 69.63.176.13. Computers understand their language and human understands English. So if we are searching for a website name, it would be stored as an IP address in the server. So here we need a translator. The translator helps us to match the names to numbers. Domain name system translates the domain name into a web browser's language like IP addresses, and now it contacts the corresponding server and loads the website that people ask. Domain name system acts as a phone book of internet. Internet protocol is a protocol that is at the internet layer to deliver the packets of data over the internet. Top-level domains are the names at the end of the web addresses like .com, .in, .org. As the internet has evolved, we can have top-level domains according to our needs, like for technology, design, artificial intelligence, and for personal websites. Fully qualified domain names are domain names that includes the name of the host, and all domain name system domains speak to the root. It is also known as complete or absolute domain name. Subdomain is a subset of a domain name which is mainly organized the website. These are names before second level domain like www. In www.google.com, for example, different businesses use subdomains for different purposes. Mobile landing page web address extension can be followed like m.ventertech.com, and same websites for different countries website addresses followed as au.ventertech.com or ventertech.au. Internationalized domain names are the domain names that are in particular languages like Arabic, Chinese, Greek, etc. and contain local scripts and Latin letters. VeriSign is a popular domain name registry service that manages most of the .net and .com domains. It is a company based out in USA. Domain name registrar are the organization that update the owner details of the domain names in the registry and also have a record of hosting services used for the hosting domain name. For example, GoDaddy, Namecheap, BigRock, Bluehost, etc. Registry is an organization that maintains a record of specific top-level domains like .com, .in, etc. Web hosting service is a type of internet service provided by the companies that helps you to store your files on their server and make your website accessible to everyone on the web. These companies basically rent their cloud storage for your website and have different pricing policies based on the requirement of the space capacity you need. WHOIS is an internet service that is used to get contact domain information about a particular domain name, like whether the domain is available or not. Internet Corporation of Assigned Names and Numbers is a non-profit private organization headquartered in California which handles the database of IP addresses and the corresponding domain names. Premium domain names are domains which are highly costly compared to normal other domains, as they have the potential to drive high traffic, as they are memorable or easy to remember names with popular extensions like .com. Domain life cycles start with the available state where the domain is available, and once we can register a particular domain for 1 to 10 years. After that it expires, so we have to renew it. Then we have a grace period that is around 30 to 45 days, and the last chance is redemption period for 30 days. Then it is in the pending state. If we want, we can delete it and then it goes back to the available state. Secured HTTP uses an secure socket layer protocol to protect the data. Secured socket layer is a protocol used to ensure secure data transmission over the internet using public key encryption. We hope that the piece of information we have shared with you was useful. To get more updates, please like, comment and share, and do not forget to hit the bell icon. Till then, stay tuned with VenterTech.